UFC number 4th rank light heavyweight contender Anthony Smith appeared for an interview and he spoke about his opinions on the potential matchup between Alexander Rakic and Jan Blachowicz, who lost his belt to Glover Teixeira at UFC 267. Anthony Smith was not very pleased with the fact that this matchup is going to happen. For first reason, the fight with Jan Blachowicz was offered to him the first time. He was the first guy contacted by UFC. Hour after the day Jan Blachowicz lost his belt, and Anthony Smith was very upbeat about too, because he too has a title aspirations. He said that this matchup should not be happening. It would suck if the fight between Alexander Rakic and Jan Blachowicz happens, because you might not know, but Alexander Rakic has denied a lot of fights. I won't tell any names, but that's the truth. And UFC particularly, they don't like doing business with him. So it really is bad to reward somebody with an opportunity with title implications. He further continued, he said that look at me, I lost my two fights against John Jones, Glover Teixeira and Alexander Rakic. What I did, I fought Jimmy Crute, an upcoming fighter who is also a really great fighter. I fought Ryan Spann, similar kind of fight. I never denied any matchups. I faced whoever UFC wanted me to face. I fought Devin Clark, another guy who was on upcoming streak and he was an up and coming fighter. I fought him and I won that fight as well. But here you have to look at the point of view of the both fighters. If you look at Alexander Rakic's point of view, it would be a great matchup for him, a great fight to beat an former champion who just lost his belt. It will solidify his claim for next title contender. If Anthony Smith would have gotten that fight against Jan Blachowicz and won, he would have been in the similar position. So he understands clearly that he just missed a really great opportunity by missing that fight. Because once Alexander Rakic and Jan Blachowicz fight happens, there won't be any other number one title contender fight for at least one more year. Because Jiri Prochazka is already the most likely guy to fight for UFC title against Glover Teixeira for his first title defense. That fight will most likely happen after April or May. Then after the matchup between Jan Blachowicz and Alexander Rakic, that fight, winner of that fight will fight for his first title challenge most probably in October, November or December. So that means Anthony Smith might have to fight somebody like Magomed Ankalaev. And Magomed Ankalaev is known to be the future of this division. He's a really well-rounded complete fighter. He is precise, his striking is really technical and he has a good ground game. So even if in future Anthony Smith fights Magomed Ankalaev and he wins that fight, he will have to fight at least one more fight to be in position to challenge for UFC light heavyweight title for the second time. So thanks for watching this video and please subscribe my channel. I'll keep updating more.